Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Halima Yazdani. I'm a general physician. Today on Doctor's Day, I would like to thank Step 1 for the initiative that they have taken during this pandemic. I'm associated with Step 1 from quite a few months, and I came into with association with Step 1 through Doc Online. That's a teleconsultation platform again. And Step 1 is, I would say, is doing excellent work, is trying to bridge the gap between the patients and the doctors, which is very essential during this crisis and during this pandemic. My association with Step 1 has been almost from the past few months, but the number of patients that I have seen and the number of people who have reached out is enormous, and the help that Step 1 is providing to each and every citizen of India is commendable. Basically, starting from every essential need and the consultation of the doctor and counseling, everything has been taken care by Step 1. And I have a very excellent experience, like I would like to share during this day. When actually there was a patient who had actually called me stating that he's confused about COVID-19. He's confused about the symptoms. He's worried that any kind of influenza could be COVID-19. Definitely, it's very difficult to differentiate between the two. But a call at this time, a call from a doctor at this time stating that don't worry, and means a lot for the patients. It means a lot for the person who's suffering with the mental turmoil as well as a physical problem. If we are talking about the symptoms of COVID, if we can explain to them much in detail about what is happening and what kind of symptoms the patient may experience during this infection, this means a lot. And this is possible due to the efforts and untiring efforts of Step 1. During Doctor's Day, I would like to thank Step 1 for this extreme, huge and extremely capable responsibilities which they have taken up on their shoulders, and more to go, more to come. I hope all of us remain safe during this pandemic, and more power to Step 1. Thank you.